In this concept video, we are going to look at the law of sines. So if I look at law of sines, we have, whoops, right here, the sine of A over A equals the sine of B over B and the sine of C over C. They are all equal. And then we can look at if I have angle, angle, side, or if I have side, side, angle, I'm going to go ahead and use law of sines. So let's see. Number 1. We know that the angles of a triangle add up to 180, so if I add 33 and 28, I get 61. If I take 180 minus 61, I have 119. So I know that this is 119 degrees, so I've found one of the angles. And then I also know that if I take the sine, over here I have 28 and I have its side, so sine of 28 to 15 equals the sine of D, 33, to its side, which is over here, over D. And then I can crisscross and solve, and I get D equals 17.4. Then I can do the same thing. If I take sine of 28, whoops, over 15 equals sine of, I found this is 119, over its side, which is E, and then I can crisscross and solve, and I have E equals 27.9. Go ahead, try number 2, pause the video, and come back. Number 22, I know the angles of a triangle add up to 180, so 106 plus 56 is 162, and if I subtract that from 180, I get 18. So this angle over here is 18. So I have an angle and I have a side, so I have sine of 18 over 1.5 equals, and then I can take the sine of 56 over its side, which is P, crisscross and solve, and P is equal to 4.0. And then I can go back and do sine of 18 over 1.5 equals, here I have 106 and its side is M, so I have sine of 106 over M, crisscross and solve, and I have M equals 4.7. Go ahead and do number 3 for homework, and let's try the next one. For number 4, we know that 141 plus 23, 164, and then we take that subtracted from 180, and I get 16, so I know this angle is 16, and I have sine of 23 over F equals sine of 16 over its corresponding side, which is 9, and then I can crisscross, and I have F equals 12.8, and then I can have sine of 16 over 9 equals the sine of my other angle, which is 141, over its opposite, which is E, and then crisscross, and I have E equals 20.5. Go ahead, pause, and try number 5. Number 5, we have 40 plus 49, that's 89, subtract that from 180, and I get 91, so this angle is 91, and I have sine 40 and 20, so 40 over 20 equals a sine of, let's do 49 over its corresponding side, which is R, crisscross. R equals 23.5. And let's go back, sine of 40 over 20 equals my other angle, which is 91, and its corresponding side, which is T. Crisscross, and T equals 31.1. Go ahead and try number 6 for homework.